Hello, thanks for clicking on my video. Please, if you like my videos, please subscribe and leave comments about what you want me to cover in the future. In the meantime, let's go. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an API key from HuggingFace. Why? Because in the following videos, I'm going to show you how to use that API key to do all kinds of fun stuff, machine learning wise, either on Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab or on your Mac, whatever works for you. But the first step to interacting programmatically with HuggingFace is to get a token. So in here, you have to get an account, which is free. Once you get an account, you log in, you go into the settings, and then you end up on this page. In the settings page, there is this button, Access Tokens. You click on New Token and give it a name. This is the name that you're going to recognize as the key's name, right? In this particular case, so let's just give it name foo, right? For lack of a better name. You want to make sure that you give it the right permission. In this particular case, anybody logging in with this particular key can only read. If you wanted to do other stuff like submitting models or what have you, then you want to give it the right permissions. But in this particular case, read is enough for us. We're going to stick with that. We're going to generate a token and stick. And if I wanted to show you folks, which I don't want to show, I could click on show over here to get the actual key. We will take that in the next videos, and we're going to use that as a variable so that when we interact with HuggingFace, we will use this key to do so. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next video.